Hi, good day, and thank you for coming or watching our presentations. We're giving a Part 5 series on common workplace contaminants. This presentation is on soakwells. The idea of a soakwell is to drain rainwater as it comes from roadway surfaces, get them out of the way. Problems occur when all businesses, large and small, start to use that area around that soakwell for cleaning activities. And the pollutants typically that are involved are detergents, oils, or greases that are within that wastewater that are being flushed into that soakwell. And over a period of time, they start to become blocked and no longer drain well. A typical soakwell will drain within 30 minutes of a heavy rain. If it starts to take longer, you know you have partial blockage occurring. As far as recognition of problems that might be on the site is either the historical or actual current use of the business activities involved with that space. If any cleaning is occurring, you have a potential of a problem occurring to that soakwell. Then as far as the staining and discoloration, if you start to see that there's stains around the bitumen or concrete, again, you have a potential of something occurring. When you start to look inside the well and you start to see black in color, or that even if you took some of that soil and examined it, if you've seen sheens, you have a problem starting to occur. But again, the main one is that it no longer is draining as what it would be. It no longer is taking 30 minutes, it's taking a day or longer to actually drain. And then a combination of all those would be a kind of a contaminated soakwell, which we have an example for. This would be what I call a contaminated soakwell, and it's a site that we actually had to remediate. All the surrounds, this is the concrete within the well, and that's the soil within it, all a black in color. And of course it was stained about a depth of 400 millimeters, in which we had to do work with. This is actually at a Perth service station right outside the workshop doors. And again, this is a light rain, and it's not even absorbing any water within that. There is a problem with the soakwell. So what do? Once you have a soakwell that's not working, what steps? Well, first of all, I would recommend that you do engage or have with this project some environmental consultant to help guide and advise you. They would, again, be best in a position to determine which of these three main cleanup measures would be involved. In the one, we actually had the vacuum. We broke up the surfaces and suctioned them out by vacuum. So the suck is actually vacuum suction. Or you could actually add what we call liquid bacterial agents. And the terminology is bio-remediation, in which that hydrocarbon or oil and grease is slowly degraded over time, getting your soakwell back into proper operation. And of course, in more severe soil contamination, really you have no choice. Excavate and replace the soakwell with clean soils and validation. All right, this gives you a general idea of where to go, the commonly overlooked, the operation of soakwells and contamination. Who are Hydrocarbon Remedial Services? Well, we are recognized environmental pollutants consultants. We specialize in the testing, monitoring, and remediation of potentially polluted sites. We perform environmental site assessments on property being bought and sold, and we advise the property agent on the management. If required, we also do the full-scale remediation. To obtain more information, you can visit our website, hydrocarbonremedial.com.au, or the phone number as addressed. Thank you. We hope this has been useful to you, giving you practical portions for your commercial site. Thank you.